Hello, so today I want to show you how to make this really effective bobble stitch. It's done on the reverse of your work, so just make your chain as wide as you want it as a blanket. This is just a sample, and then do a row of trebles, and then when you get to the reverse of it, the back of your work, you are going to come up as you would for the trebles. So you make 3 chain, and then we're going to go into this next stitch just with a normal treble and another one. So we've got a block of 3 trebles in between each bobble. So that's your kind of pattern. So how to make a bobble stitch? So yarn round, and it's just a lot of unfinished trebles. So pull through, and then pull through those 2 on the hook. Yarn round again, in you go in the same stitch, pull through and through those. And we're going to do that until you've done, or you've got 6 on your hook once you've gone through the last 2. So we've got 5 there, so we're going in again, and here is where you go through all of them on your hook, and that is what makes the bobble. Now I'm just going to do the next stitch because that'll make it more pronounced. So then you just go back to your 3 trebles in between, turn that over, and you can see it's made that gorgeous little bobble. So I'll do one more with you. So as if you're starting a treble, in you go, and then through those 2, round again, through those 2. So we're 4, so we want 2 more. So that will leave you 5 on, and then this one will leave you 6 on, and you go through those to make that bobble. So really satisfying stitch. I am adding more stitches practically daily. If you'd like to subscribe and see more of my content, you can make all sorts of gorgeous projects out of this stitch, blankets and scarves. So please subscribe, that will help grow my channel as well, because I'm still very tiny, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.